If you've never seen the inside of a sun visor from a car, you're in for a treat. This is the inside of the sun visor for my 2022 Honda Pilot. You have the bar, which allows it to flip up and down and extend and retract. It's a separate feature here versus the ones where it's just mounted in. This is the housing for the mirror, non-lit. And what's cool is around the outside, how they get the fabric in is there's little spikes down here that the fabric goes over, and when it's closed, it pinches it together. But why do I have a broken sun visor in my office? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's back up. This is my wife's This is my wife's 2020 Honda Pilot. The last one we did was on my The last one we did was on my 2008 Honda Accord. Hey. This is my wife's 2020 Honda Pilot. It's got one issue, and I knew I was going to be doing a repair video on this guy at some point. Last time we fixed my 2008 Honda Accord. And of course we're joined in the background by my cat Shadow. I'm trying to do takes and he's just meowing in the background. That was your cue. If we open up the door and come in here, you'll notice that the sun visor is a bit floppy. It doesn't stay up, and when you turn it forward, and as you might have guessed from early on the previous slot, I got a replacement visor for it. This one actually has the lighting feature in it, which ours doesn't, but I couldn't find a cheap one without it. So what you want to do is get a really flat, small screwdriver. Make sure it can go in here, and you're going to come into this hole at a 45-ish degree angle, somewhere in there. Push in, and now once you wedge it in, you're going to come down like this, and you're going to twist it towards the door. But you have to get in there. I'll show you a better example of this once I get this off. Come down, pop, twist. It has to get in just right. And once you twist it, it comes off. See, the deal is you have to get in here, and it has to come up around here so it can loosen, and you can twist the assembly and get it loose. And once that gets loose, you'll be home free. Now, unfortunately, if I dig up in this hole, there is no cable for me to plug in this. So I don't mind. This was the cheapest replacement visor I could find because we don't use the light. We're now going to install it. Get in the hole. If you do have the cable, you connect it. If you don't, you just go up. And you want to turn this so it's open. And when you put it in, you gotta turn it around. So first thing I'm going to do is unlock on the new visor. I'm going to push this in and then turn it so it opens up. So now it's open. If you can see that, going up. And now when it's in, now I should be able to push it into place. And we're locked in. We are set to go. And there we go. No more flippy floppy. Comes down various angles. It locks up into place. And when you pull it out, it can extend just the way it should. Now you'll notice the difference between the old one and the new one. The old one has a metal bar. The new one just has plastic over that metal bar. Now again, to pull this off, you have to get a very thin screwdriver in, push it up all the way in there, and then it should release the pin, and then you can twist it and bring it down. Now what's interesting is this component has actually stopped working since I pulled off the sun visor, and I was really curious to open it up, and I hope that you enjoyed the inside tour and how to replace the sun visor on a 2020 Honda Pilot. If you enjoy this, if this helped you, give a video a thumbs up, leave a comment, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. I didn't tell my wife I replaced the visor, so I'm just waiting for her to notice that it's not hanging down the way it normally has been, and see if she realizes that actually locks into place. If you're watching this before you discover it, hi honey, I love you.